What's going on? Shit, here we go. I'm already fucking it up. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today is Monday, and that means it's autoauctions.io day. We are going to go through a few of the cars that got flipped on the auctions. So big shout out to autoauctions.io. You can join them. Click on the link in the description. I think, fuck, I don't even know. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to your weekly auction flips brought to you by autoauctions.io. Big shout out to autoauctions.io for allowing me to use their service to show you guys some of the flips in which a lot of money has been made simply, in some cases, just relisting a car somewhere else. In other cases, bandaging up a vehicle. I think it's real cool to take a look at these cars and see what they were, see what they are, and see what kind of a profit, so to speak, some of these cars are brought. So to get started, we're going to start with this 2016 BMW 750i. This is your X-Drive. We're going to start at the very first one where it sold from the insurance company in Sun Valley, California for $37,250. All right, so looking at the pictures here, she got in a pretty bad accident. I mean, I've seen a lot worse, but internet's kind of bogging down on me here. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't look too bad to me. I'm surprised this was totaled. There must be something I'm missing here. This doesn't look too bad. What do you guys think? This does not look like a horrible wreck. I guess there's some rear end damage here that I'm missing. Yeah. Okay. I missed that. We got definitely got something going on either with the rear axle or the rear suspension. All right. So I guess I could see why this thing was salvaged. So it's got a California certificate of salvage, sold from the insurance company, and it sold for $37,250. The mileage is 14,775. There you go. Now let's have a look at what they did to it to suddenly make it worth over 60 grand. Why is the internet bogging on this? So let's click on the most recent sale. This was from a third party. And okay, it still looks totally screwed. There was a donut here. They fixed that. This axle was all bent, or the suspension was broken. That looks like that's been fixed, but the front end is still totally smashed. I don't know why my internet is running so slow today, guys. I apologize about that. That's the first time that's ever happened. Okay, so they fixed whatever was wrong with the back end, or at least doctored it, and it sold for $64,500. But this time, it sold in Houston, Texas. So it made its way from California all the way to Texas. Looks like a little bit of work was done to the rear end. The rest of the car, it still doesn't run. It still doesn't drive. It still has keys. And the mileage, I'm sure, hasn't changed. Nope. And there you go. I don't know. Hey, that was a hell of a flip, right? All right, let's look at the next one. Some of you people out there told me you really like these big rigs, so here we go. Got a 2017 Volvo, a VN. I don't know. And this one, do you think they painted this? We'll get into that in a minute. Obviously, this thing was shot, right? And here we go right here. It looks brand new, but it's also a different color. I don't know that this one actually got fixed. Like, look, I'm not going to call anybody out or anything like that. It's just, to me, looking at this picture, I don't see that getting fixed, period. This one right here looks way too good to have ever been that, but whatever. What do you think? Let's take a look at some of these pictures. Man, no. How do you fix... All right. I don't know anything really about body work. Definitely don't know anything about big rigs. Internet is still going slow on me. Man, this is embarrassing, guys. This is embarrassing. I really do apologize. There's nothing I can do about it. It seems to just be running this slow. So, you know, I'm sure the engine's still good, but it looks like the rest of the truck is just, this is trash, man. I don't even think you fix something like that. I hope somebody out there in YouTube land watches this and can explain to me in the comment section below, how do you fix this? How do you fix this? It looks like a tornado picked it up and just smashed it. All right, anyway, scrolling down here. Does not run and drive, no engine start, does have keys, sold for $23,000 in Springfield, Missouri from the insurance company. We got a California salvage certificate of title, brown diesel 6, the regular stuff here. Let's go take a look at the fixed up version that sold for $51,000. I mean, it's almost a $30,000. It's almost $30,000 over what was originally paid for it. Now it runs and drives. The engine starts. It does have keys. It says it has a pending California certificate of title, salvage, sold from a third party. Again in Springfield, Missouri. So maybe this is the same one. Maybe this is the same one. I don't see how you fix something like that. It looks like the internet's cooperating a little bit better. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I do not see how you could fix this. I really don't. But there you have it. There it is. I guess. Oh, wait. Hold on. Rear axle first. Rear axle second. Okay. I thought we had mismatched VIN numbers on here. All right. No, we do not. Anyway, man, there it is. There it is. 240,000 miles. You know, one thing I forgot to check is if the original one showed 240,000 miles as well. I bet it probably didn't. No, because it wouldn't turn on or anything. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Here's another almost $30,000 from a 2017 Land Rover. Man, I am off today, people. 2017 Land Rover. I don't know if you can hear my voice. I literally just got up and jumped on here to make this video for you guys. So, man, forgive me. This has got to be the worst quality video I've ever done. All right, so here we got a 17 Land Rover. Does not run and drive. Does not start. Does have keys. Sold from the insurance company for $31,000 in Madison, Wyoming, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin. Shit. Sold for damn. Sold for 31. Sold for $31,000 in Madison, Wisconsin. Okay, she's trashed. She's trashed. I mean, the back end looks all right. Interior looks... How are there no airbags deployed? How are there no airbags deployed with that much damage? That thing, the front end is ripped apart on this. Look at this. No. Okay, so again, certificate of salvage title. I don't see the mileage on this one either. No. All right. Let's jump over and take a look at what it looks like when it sold for $60,000, but now it's in Newburgh, New York. So we still have a certificate of salvage title. It still does not run and drive. It still does not start. But the pictures, I'm just... Why does it look like it's all put back together and the only thing missing is a bumper? I mean, if you went that far with the repair, why didn't you put the bumper on it? I don't get that. 827 miles, are you kidding me? This thing's brand new. Brand new. I don't understand it. It looks like this thing has been put back together again. It looks excellent. But where's the bumper? Where's the bumper? You're gonna go through all that work and leave the bumper off of it. I don't know, man. Either way, that's another almost $30,000 in the bank. That is insane. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Weekly Auction Flips brought to you by AutoAuctions.io. Go check those guys out. They're really awesome, and they provide an invaluable service for people that are looking to get a little bit more history on what their vehicle's been through before buying it from an auction like this. And it doesn't even have to be a salvage car. It doesn't hurt to run your car through here anyway and see if it's ever showed up in the auctions. You can search by make, model, lot ID, VIN number. Those are the two I would use, lot ID or VIN number. Definitely check out your vehicle and see if it's ever been through one of these auctions. I'll catch you guys very soon in the next one.